All right, and we are back. Hey Tony, we got you all fixed up. Aloha, my friend. Got your mic over here repaired, but we're using a Superstar mic because we do not like the sound of these mics. All right, so let's start with the RF power all the way down on AM mode. 250 watt slugs, what we're going to start out with, okay? And I guess set about 10 watts all the way down, which is plenty low. And just about 95, almost 100 all the way up. Now let's see it forward back bird average. Hello, 200 bird. What a change. 500 watts slug and peak. Hello. 500 watts. Let's go over to sideband. Hello. 1. Hello. About 480 on sideband. So it is weak, no more. Tony will get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You didn't compromise. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump.